What's up, guys? It's your boy TJ, and I am about to go around town riding my bike. That's today's video. Basically, I'm just gonna go ride around because I'm actually like kind of bored. School's out, nothing to do, so I'm just gonna ride my bike around. Yeah. All right, let's get started. So, all right, riding down the street, recording. I might seem like a riddle doing this. I really hope you can hear me, but if you can't, it's going to be a terrible video. Cause yeah, I just be riding around for nothing. So I'm recording everything I do. Look, there's a nice little dog over there. I have no clue if you can see it. Left or right? I'm gonna go right. Uh-oh. Oh no, I should have went left. Okay, alright. Pay no attention. Pay no attention. Just look at the street. Look at the street. Hey, if I catch anybody trying to figure out where I live, I will beat you down. Why do I feel like... Oh, that's just... Okay, never mind. So, I was riding around down St. Clair. I don't know if you can see the sign, but I'm riding down St. Clair. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of pollen. Hold up. I should catch the bus, but I'm not. Alright. This is my... Well, technically, we just got off my block, but I don't normally do this. An old store that got shut down was ran into the street. I have no clue who this person is. Building. I'm gonna ride around this plaza when I get in here. Hopefully my bike doesn't break down. These cops were on people today. They done got a lot of people. Oh, missed my turn. Right up the hill. It's like the 5th police car I've seen all day. Alright, so this is a plaza. You got Villa. You got this place. School uniforms, rainbow, family something. Oh, that's a pot. I didn't cuss. Family, beauty, and hair. Then you got neon something. I don't know. Yep. This is just a plaza. Got Brightside Academy over there. There you go. A car. Hopefully it doesn't hit me. All right. We're still in the clear. We're still alive. Look away. Look away. What? Narcotics or something? What in the world is happening? Oh my god, I missed my turn. I'm too busy being so nosy. You got Dollar Tree over here. You got a McDonald's over there. East Side Market. Alright. This time I gotta turn. Okay, I made my turn. Just riding around. People selling water. And now we got a sidewalk. Oh, I should go to that rallies. I mean, not rallies. Not. I've just been riding around with one hand all day. Alright, let's see. And drive. Don't die. I didn't die! Oh god. Alright, I made it. And we're still recording. It's not over yet. Let's go check out this plaza. I've really just been riding around, like doing nothing. I'm just riding around, showing you guys this randomness. I'm just so bored. Probably can't even. Oh my god, speed bump. That hurt. All right. I'm going to go around this one. I'm probably putting you like very close to my face, and that's kind of weird. So yeah, deal with it. Dollar General, Little Caesars, Apples to Go, Children 2, and here goes a little crack. Beauty Nail, Subway. I love Subway. My favorite restaurant. Friggin' others. Oh my god, this is a giant pop. Rally's up there. And there's a car trying to kill me. It's trying to kill me, guys. So I'm going to make a left. What the hell, bro? What is going on today? Cops have just been down on people. There goes another one. Another one. What is happening? What is happening today? Another one. There's 3 of them. I mean, like 4 of them. Oh, and there's a dirt bike gonna hit me. This is the 4th one. They're everywhere. I don't even know what's happening. We just saw those cops. We literally just saw those same cops. They were tracking down somebody with narcotics, I guess. They would definitely check in their car. And if you don't know what narcotics is, it's basically another word for drugs. I just say narcotics because it's more fancy and appropriate, I guess. I just stopped here for a second. Look, there goes 2 more. There goes 2 more. There goes 2 more and an undercover car. And an undercover car. Oh my god. This is crazy. Oh my god, there goes another one. There goes another one. Oh my god. Where are they going? Where are they going? I want to know where they're going. I want to know where they're going. Okay, now I'm just going in a circle. What is happening? There's so many things going on. Oh no, that's very loud. Very louder than the other one. Oh, I gotta get out of here. I don't like the sound. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Well, I'm just gonna have to deal with it. Just gonna have to do it. Oh look, they're going the other way. They're probably going to where the cops are going. They do that a lot. Alright, should I turn around and go the other way? And then that time go left and show y'all what's that way? Alright, basically, I think the video ended in the last one. So we're recording again, and I did not notice until I just looked at my screen. So basically, nothing was missed, because immediately after one stopped, the other one started. I definitely did not start it. I never even knew it stopped. Wait, actually no, it's counting down. Why is it counting down? Oh, okay. Oh, I guess it didn't stop. I guess we're just running out of time. Well, that's all for today. That's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.